Let me give you a really simple Excel tip. Hit return. That's all it is. Whenever you do anything on the sheet and you finished, hit return. Simple as that. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're typing something in, say my name, hit return to say that you've finished. If you're typing in a number, hit return. You may be tempted to type something in and then to use a direction key to move it into the next cell. Please don't do that. Get into the habit of always pressing return when you're done. Why is this important? Well, it tells Excel that you're done and prepares for the next instruction that you're going to give it. However, if you're talking about a formula where it starts with an equals, as soon as you move, it actually thinks that you want to include that cell in the formula. So whether you're creating a formula, you're editing a formula, it's really, really important when you're done, hit return.